Yes.
I think we don't
Okay.
introduce ourselves. It's necessary to introduce.
No, not require. I just will say hello, how are you? It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Meenakshi, ma'am. How are you?
Doing very well. How about you, Preeti?
Yeah, it's quite well. Actually, I'm here because kids are going to the tuition, so that time I was free. So I utilize my time here for communication. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
So what was the topic
Okay,
today?
ma'am, I'm thinking that I have one good topic. This is a general topic, which is supermarket versus local market. So,
Okay.
what is your thoughts, your opinion on local market versus supermarket?
Okay. So I was thinking like supermarkets and local market. So I
Hmm.
would say about point of the supermarket. Sometimes supermarket who don't have a huge time, so they prefer to go to the supermarket because they are getting some kind of thing on a display. So they, and from the display they just buying whatever that they need. So they go there and they just buy it, and they
Hmm.
are getting all over the thing on a one place. They don't go outside another place. Like, but if you go for the local market, so you have to be go one place and other place for buying whole of the thing. So for that I think it's a aesthetic view over there. If you go for the
Hmm.
supermarket, so there is the aesthetic view was there, so you can easily
Hmm.
purchase anything whatever is your need. If like there is a all variety was there. You don't go in any specific shop for there. There is a lots of thing in there. We can take a example of the metro. If you are going to the metro, so in metro there all the thing is available. So that is the good way to get anything easily, and you can fill your bucket by anything whatever your need. Whatever quality was also there. Like there is a
Hmm.
many variety was there, but if you go for the local market, so there is a you have to choose which variety you have to purchase. For the according to your variety you have to choose the soap also. But for the supermarket if you go, so you don't think of too much. You just there is a lots of variety. You just take it out something from there, and you what can say, you can take the price tag also was there. Sometimes people don't know what is the actual price of that. Local market, sometimes it's not good because they are giving the prices of any kind particular thing. So they are just giving the right price. They are taking from you, or they are just taking the wrong price. So for that purpose you can
Hmm.
calculate the you can accountable the price from the supermarket. But there is a specific price. Like if you can't afford the price of the rice. We can take example of that rice. So there is a 4 to 5 variety was there. So you can easily
Hmm.
buy, like it's according to your affordability, according to your quality. So you can easily buy of that thing from the supermarket. And there is the display was there. If you want to purchase any kind of material, it's grocery shop was different. A grocery shop was different place. In a supermarket if you go, so grocery shop is different, and there is some what can say, grocery, and there is a woolen. Like if you want to buy
Hmm.
any kind of clothing part is different. There is some accessories was there also. So you can easily purchase in a one way. Some government sector, like who have a, you go for in a big city, metro city, they prefer to go to the supermarket because they don't have a too much time, so they can easily buy their thing from us one place. But if you can
Yes.
say about a local market, like who are living in the small places, so they just prefer to go to the local market because they think if I am going to the local market, so we are getting the cheapest thing from there. Sometimes supermarket is
Hmm.
not good. We can say about the pros cons of the supermarket. Sometimes they are giving some offers also. Like you are going to the
Hmm.
supermarket, so when product is going to the expiry, that time they are just offering to you, like you are getting buy one get one, like that. So we are,
Hmm.
because they have to clear their stock. in that way.
Oh yeah,
Because
yeah.
so that is why they are giving to the offer to you, like you just take the, so people are just greedy, every people are greedy, so they just think like I will take from here, so I will get one buy one get one, or buy two get three, like that. But they are not thinking
Hmm.
about that, like why they are giving the thing in a cheapest rate or in a offer like that, because they are
Hmm.
just clearing their stock in that way.
Yes.
Because people are not aware of that. But I also get a experience of that when I purchase, actually happened with me also. When I go to the supermarket, so the one incident happened with me. There is a price tag was there, like you are getting buy one get one, so I also attract with this offer, and I purchase
Hmm.
so many things from there. Some is just a minute, ma'am. Okay, go outside. So like I also purchased some biscuits from there, and when I came at my home, that time I just opened it, so there some biscuits was not good. So I think like people don't prefer to go to the supermarket in that case. But you have to you don't prefer to offer like that. If you go for the supermarket,
Hmm.
so you have to try to avoid the offer. What is the quality of the product, you just go that
Hmm.
and buy that product. I think that is my point of
Yes,
view,
ma'am.
supermarket or a local
Yes,
market,
ma'am.
like that.
Yes, ma'am. So, like, we can say we can if we compare both the things. So, as per my perception, the both thing is required, and they are playing the vital role because if local market will not be there around our house, around us, so for the subtle thing we have to go supermarket. So, any people don't want to go the subtle things supermarket. So, they always try to take from their local shop which is nearest by you. So I can give you example, if I need to buy milk and eggs and other thing etc also, so I will go definitely local market. But if I need more things, more planned I have, so definitely I'll write and I make a plan to go the supermarket because I know very well supermarket have the discounting affordable prices over there, and it can be save my time also. If I'm working, my husband is also working, so we both have a less time to spend in the market. So we will definitely not go to local shop because local shop has a limited stuffs. So in spite of local shop, we definitely would like to go to the supermarket because in the supermarket they give us comfortable. Their AC facilities also. The environment is very clean and everything under the one room we can take. So whatever.
Right.
Okay. So if we both are working, we don't have a spare time, so we definitely spend our time where we'll take little time. So we will definitely go to the supermarket. In the supermarket, under the one room, we can get everything, whether it's woolen, summer stock, and kitchen appliances. So definitely we will go over there. And so supermarket, some offer goes across the board and we just pick in very affordable price. If I talk about the local market, in the local market we get everything on the MRP or very less discount we get. But there's a benefit also of local market which I told to you, and we just get a credibility from the local market also. We are much attached from the local market, and because we know to each other over there, our parents, our family, they have a connection with the local shop, and we just asking their how they are and what is going on. So we are very much attached. Somewhere I'm not, I can't say like my mother, my parents, they are attached because they don't go to the supermarket. They always try to go to the local market because they don't have much experience. They don't wanted to go over there. But yeah, in the youngster, they always try to go over there to save their time. And there another thing also which I can relate with the local market. In the local market we serve to the society. We just give them to make earn the money, and by the supporting them, they are feeding their family. So this is a plus point to support to the local market also. And in the local market, the products can be they can be provide us MRP, but actual they give us actual productive thing, quality things also. I can give you example. There's a one bakery around me, my home. So they have a fresh goods over there. But instead of, in spite of the local shop, if we go the supermarket, they have a non-fresh foods. They
Yes.
won't tell you that this is made 2 days ago or 10 days ago. They always try to impose you. Okay.
Yeah.
So in the local market, this is another advantage which we can, and they always think about our benefits if they know to us very much. So this is another benefits. But somehow both are the playing the equal role. And now I can see that the another question can raise like by
Ma'am,
the
sorry for
repeat
interrupt you.
extension. Hmm.
Actually, I want to add one more thing also. When we are going to the supermarket, so our bill will increases. But when we are going to the local market, so our bill be very small. It's happened with me
Hmm.
because kids are tense always. Because when we
Yes.
are going along with our children, so that time kids are always tense. Like they want to say that like I want to buy this, I want to buy this. So we can't deny of that kind of thing. So
Because they have like they made the environment like that. They
yeah,
are surrounding is full of the stuff. So when children go to with you, so they always just look around here and there. If they get some thing to eat, so always because they have a mind that yes, I can see this. So they try to pick up that things. But we elders, we know everything, so we try to control ourselves. But children can't control because they are
because
children
we,
only.
yeah, ma'am,
Hmm.
it's we can't conquer of our children on that time
Hmm.
because
Hmm.
they are always shouting and they crying on that time. So we just
Hmm.
say okay, we will buy it little bit thing and then we will go
Hmm.
from here. That thing is
We
happen, I
keep
think.
quiet to our children by giving them that material what they
Yes.
want. So this is like this happen also supermarket and the local market. It happens also if there's a some buffers also. So children they try to buy that thing also. But then in supermarket we have an environment over there that they just creating that environment to forcing our children because by the looking that environment na, we just our mind can easily slip to see around us. So it
They,
happens that they create that kind of environment over there, and this is a negativity of the supermarket.
yeah,
And
I totally agree with you.
but the local market has a limited option. That's why many local shops has closed due to these
Yeah.
things because people are going there. More families they are going there. So there's a less crowd over there. That's why they have to close their shop. But this is not good thing
Yeah.
because they are surviving to earn
Yes.
to feed their family. So in other thing also if supermarket like people getting job over there, their employment also they are over there, their benefit also they are giving job to other people, but but that harm of the local shop is like they need to close their shop here. So both the things is equal is going on, and definitely some people get a good affordable price in supermarket. I can sense that if I'm getting something on MRP basis, so in spite of that local market, in supermarket, they are giving the less discount over there.
Yeah.
And I've seen that on online platform, which are Swiggy, Blinkit, and the other Zepto apps also there. They are giving much beatable price
Yeah.
than local or
Local.
than supermarket.
Yeah, it's
So
happening.
the online platform is much better than the other one.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I mean it because
Hmm.
it's happened like if you go for the supermarket, so like who are very professional, they don't have time, they're both are working, so they can't get too much time, they are getting only Saturday or Sunday. So
So,
that time they have to use their time for shopping and for doing
mm,
all grocery, like whatever they want to purchase. So they going to supermarket and they get all over the thing from one place, so that is why they prefer to the supermarket. But
yeah.
who have a time, so they just go for the local market and purchase all the thing, because time is also saving in the way. Like if you go for the
Mm,
supermarket, I think nobody is living near to the supermarket, they are far away from the supermarket, so they just save their time to the local market, because local market available surrounding to them. That is why.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the whole topic which we are discussing here, and this is a very good thing which we have discussed here. We at least get know about the local shop also. They are facing lot of challenges in their life. They have to close their shop. They looking around some another work to manage their family.
Yeah.
So like this is thing we need to think like how they will face the difficulties to running their life, feeding their life. And in the smart bazaar, if people are getting employment over there, so they are getting cheap salary. They're not
Yeah.
getting up to the mark. So this is also the lack.
Yeah, I totally agree. But what do you think? What you prefer? Like you are saying, like local market or supermarket. So what do you prefer to go? Like you prefer to go supermarket, or do you want prefer to go in local market?
Ma'am, in a nutshell, I definitely say the only one thing that both are things are required.
Yeah.
It depend on the scenario, person to person, depend on the family. If people don't have a much time, so they will go and buy their all that stuffs. If I need only single thing, two or three things, definitely I will go that local shop market which is nearest from me.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
both are playing the vital role here, and both we need required. Not any single thing, but we both are
Yes.
required. But we can understand by the expansion of the rapidly expansion of the supermarket, they are not good for the local shopkeepers. So we should not expansion rapidly of all the smart bazaars. Only just keep remain the normal supermarket should be there, not more than. So
Yeah.
both
We.
can be survived.
Yes, yes. We are accountability. We have it's our accountability how we are following the market,
Hmm. Hmm.
because you are following only local market. You are not following the supermarket. So it's we have to give the preference both. Actually, it's happened with
Both,
everyone. Both
definitely.
like if you are
Because
going.
we are taking
Hmm.
benefits from all the sides, both the sides, not even a single local or the smart bazaar. We are taking from both way.
Right, right. It's
Hmm.
because I also prefer when we have a buy any single thing. So I just prefer to the local market because I'm living the township. So here is the local market also here. So I try to buy a single thing or one or two couple of thing I
Yes.
want to buy. So I just go here and there. But when I
Hmm.
go for the much shopping or much kind of stuff,
Hmm.
so I just
Hmm.
prefer to go there and try to buy from there only.
Yeah, it's happened, ma'am, or it will like running the same because every people have a different opinion, different requirements. So they
Yes.
definitely will use will use local shop also, smart bazaar also. Both things are requirement. I require they both are equivalent for us.
Yes, yes, I agree. Because
So
equivalent we have to be maintained.
of course,
Yeah.
everything should be on what we can say equal. There's
Yes.
no more than anything. So everything should be equivalent. So this is the main things which we should follow here.
Yeah.
So it was a very wonderful topic where
Yeah.
we discussed.
So, would you have any question for me?
Not now because I think we have discussed everything here.
Everything.
This is a very general topic which we
Yes.
taken here, na. So like no another thing is left. here.
Yeah, we cover all the point. I think it's what is the pros, what is the cons, and what we have to
Mm.
prefer. So like people can learn from this video, like what we are discussing. They can learn what we have to prefer. Like if you have a like you want to buy some specific thing,
Mm.
so a particular thing if you buy, so you just prefer to the local market. If you buy lots
Mm.
of thing, so much stuff if you have to buy, so you just prefer for the supermarket. I think so. It's like
And I
people
want to
can
add
learn.
one more thing.
Yes.
I want to add one more thing. I got just in my mind that if I wanted to window shopping, I wanted to see, look some things like which is reasonable pricing or not. So I just will compare. So I will go to the supermarket. I can go there. I can do window shopping over there. Nobody will ask. I
Yeah.
can go and come back.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I will go to the local market, definitely the shopkeeper will ask, what do you need?
Yeah.
What do you require?
It's
You
happen
can't do window shopping over there. So
because
these
I'm
are
also
also
doing.
things
Sometimes it's
we
happen.
definitely will go to the mall. When we go to the mall, it happens with us. We can do the window shopping. We can see, look at the pricing, the quality of the stuff. We can see clothing or another thing also.
What trend
So
is
we
going
have an
on
option
sometimes.
to explore. We have
Yeah.
option to explore many things. But in local shop, we don't have a much. We don't have
There is the
option to
aesthetic view
visit
was
over
there.
there.
Actually there is the aesthetic view was there, so from that I
Yeah.
can understand what trends is going on, what kind of cloth we have to wear, and we can see to other people also from there, like some
Mm.
are like people are coming there, so what they are wearing, so we can learn so many things from there actually.
Mhm.
So
So
that is
we
why we.
explore.
Yeah.
We explore over there everything. If I will tell you that my experience. So one experience I was have, like my husband, he wanted to buy a mobile phone. First, he went two or three. He visited two or three shops in what is in the mall supermarket. So he just explore everything over there. So after that, he got many things after seeing, looking at everything. So he had decided to, I have to take this phone because he has taken experience, he have taken knowledge from the shopkeeper, like which is in supermarket, in mall. So everything he has taken the knowledge from that salesperson. So after that, he had decided, his mind is clear now, what I need to go for buy. So
Yes,
this
yes.
option also we get.
Yeah. I It's
So that's
happened
where
like.
the supermarket also require.
Yeah, because we can explore so many things from there. But if
Mm.
you go for the local market, so there is a particular thing was there, so we
Mm.
can't
Mm.
justify of that. Like we can't
Yes, yes.
get a new. We can't see a new view over
Mm.
there. But if you go for the
If we
supermarket,
go and ask them their material, their quality of the mobile or other thing, they get offended.
yeah,
Why you came here? You, if you're not taking something, so why you came here? So they get offended.
yes, 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 yes. I agree with you. Okay, so ma'am,
Okay.
it's nice, wonderful conversation. It's a crispy, short and crispy conversation we can say, because it's not a
Yes,
long video, but a viewer can see and learn so many things from this video. So ma'am,
yes,
thank you so
ma'am.
much
And
for.
definitely this video will work for you. Best
Thank you
of
so
luck.
thank you so much for our creating video, because I want to be a that kind of partner, so I can create so many video for my viewers. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Bye
Okay.
bye.